Ciao and welcome back to Talking About. I know I haven't been uploading since a long time, so I thought to start something new. This is a kind of a podcast like I am going to talk about a story and uh, and narrate it. So, this is a horror story. There are four friends, two boys and two girls. For the sake of this video, let's say the boys names are Battery and Magnet, and the girls names are Lavender and Vanilla. These four friends were bicycling to their school, and Battery saw a strange figure. Nun, actually. She wore a black dress and she had a few books in her hand, and she was creepy because she was like 6 feet tall. And when Battery saw her like walking to the church, she like just turned her head and looked and smiled to Battery, and she wore a mask like it it wasn't completely goddish, like no one wears that mask. So Battery just ignored and they all went to school. And after the school get over around like 3 4 p.m, they decided to play cricket. Cricket is a popular sport in India, so they went to a nearby playground. It was a construction site, but there were too many children playing there, so they did not mind it. So Battery was a really good batsman. So when his came turn, Lavender and Vanilla thought they should go home and do homework or chores. So they told bye. They told bye and went home. And Battery and Magnet were saying that they would play till noon. So not noon, evening. So Battery was a good batsman, so he hit a really good six, and six it's like a home run in baseball. So he uh, he shot the ball and it went over the construction site, and all the players were yelling at him that why did you do this, because it was like 3 4 p.m, and it was almost orangish sky, and it was a bit unusual going in a construction site. So that Battery and Magnet did not participated much, and they went and took the ball. They went to take the ball. So they went to the construction site, and they saw that the ball was in a really paranormalish like area. So it was like a door. It was near the door, and as soon as Magnet bent down to take the ball, the door opened, and there was the same lady, 6 foot tall nun, standing and asking Magnet and Battery, "Why are you here?" They replied that they are here to take the ball. Uh, the the nun did not. She was creepy. She wore that mask, which was like a pumpkin head, and they both were scared at the first, but they thought that she was a nun. She is worshipped to God, so there was nothing to worry about here. So they took the ball and they were just going to leave, and one of the nuns in the back of the nun which was standing at the door yelled that why did you open the door. So she she grabbed both of the boys and pulled them inside, and they both were like really scared. But turns out that that place was really paranormal. They were doing cults inside of them, and the nun which took them inside was like the semi, what we call like, she was the semi inspector of that whole area. She was a bit good than the others. They were doing cults, and I repeat, they were doing cults, like they were sacrificing young children over there. So the nun that called them inside, she kneeled them both down and asked other nuns to chop their heads off, and that was really scaring for them both. They were completely shocked, and they were just praying to God that why we are here, and they were yelling. And all of a sudden, there was a throne back there where it was like turned over, and there was this really like 10 feet tall nun sitting there with crown in her head, and she was like the main head of that cult, and she was just like sitting there looking outside the window. And when the boys were yelling and they were screaming for help, that figure turned and asked the boys to come near them. And when they did, the earth below them completely stopped at the very moment, cause Battery and Magnet saw that the girl that the nun who was like 10 feet tall, she wore a pumpkin head same as the other nuns, but she had a crown on her head. She stand up she standed up from her throne and came near them, and this she just took her crown off, and the boys were completely, I don't have words to say. They saw that the girl which was the main head of that cult was Vanilla, and the girl which was a bit good to them, the nun which was a bit good to them, was Lavender. They both were their friends for last 10 years. They went to school together. Then what? Vanilla did not listen to them and chopped their heads off. This was the story, and I guess this series goes well. I'm going to upload in a interval of like 4 to 5 days maybe, and hope to see you all again. So bye.